Hi everyone, welcome back to Durmapress Factory. I'm Anthony. Today I'm going to introduce the excellent machine behind me. This press brake will be taken to the Canton Fair. It brings together the best of Durmapress craftsmanship and features the Durmapress DA53TX control system. We use segmented dies on this machine, which allows us to customize different lengths. In our electrical cabinet, there is an important component for phase sequence protection. When both the green and red lights are on, it means everything's working fine with the machine circuits. However, if one of the lights is off, that indicates a circuit issue, and you need to reconnect the power to get the machine running again. Also, notice that we're using original imported Schneider brand equipment. This is a 6+1 axis package controlled by the 53TX system. You can see our heavy-duty beam, the highest grade 3-finger blocks, and imported boss glue and linear guide, which ensure higher accuracy. Let's feel the Durmapress bending speed. That's all for today. If you'd like to know more, please contact us anytime. See you next time.